guys, welcome to the how-to channel. We all have this in our house. It's shaving foam, but do you know all different things you can do with it? Let's do it together. Now you can use this shaving foam to clean your bathroom mirror, because usually the mirrors are always covered in smudges. Put the shaving foam on this microfiber cloth and just apply it on a mirror. Now you don't need to do any rubbing or anything, just remove this shaving foam with a clean cloth. Take a dry microfiber cloth and wipe these smudges off. Next up is this outside surface of the oven. That is always a little bit dirty, we all know that. Apply just very thin layer of this shaving foam to this outside surface. Leave it like this for a couple of minutes and then we can wipe everything off pretty easily. Shaving foam also works on a sink surface. If your sink is a little bit dirty, just rub a little bit of shaving foam on it. Leave it for a couple of minutes and you will be to remove all of these smudges off. Pretty cool, huh? As you can see, this works pretty nicely on these drain caps. Also, if you have some stains on your carpet, you can remove it by using a little bit of shaving foam. Just apply a shaving foam to the stain like this and leave it like this for a couple of minutes. You can use a small towel to rub that shaving foam in there and you will see after a couple of minutes, actually after a couple of seconds, that stain will be completely gone. Just make sure you rub all that foam in there. Nice. If you have a squeaky door handle, like this one right here, shaving foam is a really cool trick to remove this squeak. First, of course, disassemble one side of this handle. There's a little screw right here, just remove it a little bit and you can take this handle out and the other handle out. Also, we need to apply our shaving foam to this inside mechanism. Right here, there's a little spring right there, but the best way to reach that one is by this handle. We will apply our shaving foam on this part of the handle, and also we will apply a little bit of shaving foam to this mechanism right here. Shaving foam is easy to clean, so we can leave mess as much as we like to, because it's easy to wipe it off later. Return the handle to its original position, move it a little bit, return this part of the handle and move it together, and just tighten this screw to make sure that this handle is in its place. It's a little bit messy at the moment, but that's the way we want it to be. We want this shaving foam to be all over the place, so it will get in all of those tight places. That way it will remove this door handle squeak. Now just wipe everything off with a clean cloth and you will have a nice working quiet door handle. And plus, it's cleaner than it used to be.